the former WFI chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. Remember how there were 7 wrestlers, including a minor who had in fact alleged of him of sexual harassment. Now we've been told that the statement of the minor victim has been recorded before the concerned magistrate at Delhi's Patiala House court. And we also have been told that due to POCSO statement was recorded behind closed doors and the same has been put in sealed cover. Remember, because of a minor being involved in this particular case, the case against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh has been considered under POCSO. However, he's still not been arrested because it's under 7 years. That is the kind of punishment under POCSO that he's looking at, and that's why an imminent arrest really has not happened in that particular case. But we do know how the minor victim's statement has been now recorded before a concerned magistrate, and this has happened at Delhi's Patiala House court. Now, we also are getting some more inputs on this story, when it is about the wrestlers versus the former WFI chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. We do know how this Saturday evening there was a meeting with members, a delegation of the wrestlers who'd met with the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. However, there was no breakthrough that really came out of that meeting. Remember, that meeting also happened because the wrestlers had given the ultimatum of acting, considering their last-ditch attempt to throw their medals, the Olympic medals in the Ganges, was something that they were requested by the fellows and by Indians not to go ahead and do so. And that's when they decided to meet with the Union Home Minister. But despite the deliberations, no breakthrough really happened. Now, in this particular case against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, the victim statements are being recorded, and in the case of the minor victim, the statement has been recorded and put under a sealed cover because it's a POCSO Act. The case under POCSO that we are looking at. Let me actually bring in my colleague Ananya, who's joining us on the broadcast. Ananya, the minor victims case was something that was cited by the wrestlers time and again, and that was what was the reason that was being considered and said that under POCSO he should be immediately arrested. But those claims were refuted by the Delhi police. Now that the statement of the minor victim has been recorded, what is next?
Well, there was already a statement that was earlier recorded of the minor victim, but this is what we have been told by our sources clearly is that another statement has been recorded by the victim in this particular case. And what is very, very clear is that this statement was recorded around Thursday when the girl, along with her family members, had gone to Delhi's Patiala House Court. Remember that Patiala House Court is having the POCSO jurisdiction in the national capital, in the New Delhi district. And that's the reason why the girl had gone to actually re-record a statement. What are the contents of those statements is something that we will not be able to divulge for our viewers, because remember that these are placed under sealed cover. POCSO matters are of sensitive nature. In fact, the hearings too also happened behind closed doors. And that's the reason why, in fact, the contents of this particular statement as to whether the girl has actually retracted a statement or not is something that is not able to be confirmed. But definitely a second statement by the girl has been recorded in this particular case. And this statement was recorded around Thursday when the girl, along with her parents, had come to Delhi's Patiala House Court to record the statement. The statement has now been sent to Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, which is special MPLA case.
Right, Ananya, we'd have to leave it at that. That's an important update that you're bringing for us, as the minor victim statement has yet again been recorded under the presence of a special magistrate. With that, it's a wrap from my side. My colleague Anusha is joining you on the other side to take the broadcast forward. In fact, before we go ahead and toss to my colleague Anusha, let's actually take